Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to auto start or start Windows Store apps during boot. To auto start the apps, just follow these 3 steps which are quite easy to perform. Step 1. Press Windows plus R key to open run menu. Now type shell column apps folder. Now a folder named application will open. Minimize it for now. Now step 2. Again press Windows plus R key. Now type shell startup. A folder named startup will open up. Step 3. In this step, copy the app you want to auto start from the applications folder to startup folder. I will use Telegram. I will copy it from applications folder to startup folder. The next time I start the Windows, Telegram will auto start on boot. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and do subscribe for more awesome content.